What's up, everybody? For those of you who have been following me on my Instagram, you've realized that when it comes to Nasdaq, I've been killing it. I've been killing it, all because of what? All because of the robot. But then, you need to understand something. When we talk of how you can actually kill Nasdaq, we're talking of the understanding of managing the account yourself. The robot doesn't manage your account. It trades for you. It trades for you, yes. But when it trades for you, you need to understand. You need to understand that you are in control. You are totally in control. This thing does not manage your account. You need to manage your finance, because the robot cannot do that. It can't do that. So since it can't do that, it means you, as a trader yourself, you need to do that part. The robot will place trades for you. It will show you opportunities, very, very good opportunities. But at the end of the day, you need to finance your account. You need to finance it. And how do you go about doing that? You go about doing that by knowing how much you are risking per trade, how much you want to risk per trade. Then you manipulate the robot that you want to lose 50 Rand on each trade, or you want to lose $10 for every trade. That's how you manage that. The robot doesn't know that. The robot doesn't know that. The robot doesn't know that at all. But you, as a trader, you know that, how much you want to trade, or how much you want to risk per trade, or how much you want to gain. Now, let's say, for example, the robot is running some few trades, right? When the robot runs some few trades, you find that you can see that now I am comfortable with the profits. Now, when you are comfortable with the profits, what do? You just go to the robot, go to your MT4, you start closing the trades, even if they haven't reached your take profit according to the robot. Because remember, the robot will put a stop loss, it will put a take profit. But if you are comfortable with the profits, you can close even before they even touch the take profit. For example, you find that, you see right now, I'm holding a 2,000 Rand here on my hand. So when you see that you are comfortable with the 2,000 Rand, this one, you can close the trade and then go and bank it on your 50,000 account. You understand what I mean? Let's say tomorrow you hold another one. Let's say you hold 1,000 Rand like this. It's a profit for today, right? You close the profits, put it in your account. You see your account now is growing. You end up having a very, very big account. You end up having a very, very big account, because of what? Because you understand that it's all about profits accumulation. It's not about how much you make a day. It's about profits accumulation. When you accumulate profits each and every day, you end up being a very, very good, consistent trader. We don't want a situation where you have the robot, but you don't even understand how it come to be. Let me explain something. Let me make you understand something here. Having the robot, it does not mean, or it does not necessarily mean you need to be lazy. No. You need to be very, very active, because now the robot, what it has done, it has taken away the time for you to analyze. Meaning, it will analyze, but you need to do the other part, right? Means you have all the time to properly check your risk management. You have all the time to properly check your risk reward ratio. So you have control over the robot. You can go and manipulate those numbers. You can manipulate the stop loss. You can manipulate the take profit. You can manipulate your even the trades themselves. You can manipulate also your lot sizing. You understand, the contract sizing. You can also manipulate that. So if you understand that, beautiful people, there is no way you can lose with the market. There is no way. This robot is the best, is the best. You just need to take it into consideration that you are in control. You need to be in control. You need to be assessive, You need to be the man of the house. You understand? You need to be the head of the trade. You understand what I'm saying? So whenever the robot does its thing, do your thing as well. You know, get into the platform and be the man of the house. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you will see changes, and if you haven't got the robot, get the robot, and if you already do have the robot, get in control. You will see changes in your trading career. If you haven't have the robot or had the robot, contact this number below, and then make sure that you get in contact with me, because hey, here I am making changes in people's lives, and if you are left behind, I don't know what you are waiting for. Cheers, take care.